Hi friends, welcome back to Smart Nation Tech. In this video, I am going to explain about one superb, amazing job opportunity, which is Accenture job, Accenture off-campus drive for it is exclusive for non-engineering graduates. So the job role is System and Application Service Associate. What are the qualifications? The excellent qualifications are mentioned here. Here mainly B.Sc, BCA and also M.C.M, M.Sc, M.A, M.Com, B.B.A, B.A, M.F.A, B.Voc and BMS. Lot of qualifications are hiring in this opportunity. So batches 2019, 20, 21, 22. So what are the experience level 0 to 1, and what are the CTC and package we are expecting 3.34 lakhs per annum. So it is an amazing job opportunity for these graduates. So what are the job locations here? You can opt for Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Gurgaon, Kolkata, all major cities in India. So coming forward to this job opportunity, so detailed eligibility here, all streams or branches of M.C.M, M.Sc, M.A, M.Com, M.F.A, B.Sc, BCA, BBA, BA, B.Com. It is a very big hiring process. Big hiring is started at Accenture, so it is a big opportunity for all these candidates to apply for this job. This is a part-time, not part-time and distance educations are not considered, only full-time educations, and mainly 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022 passouts are eligible. So what are other conditions? No active backlogs, that means zero backlogs during application and or during onboarding. After you clearing the round and you are going for onboarding, you must be cleared all your backlogs and very good to go. In a good to go stage, all your documents are handled with you. So another one is maximum 1 year gap in education. If you after 10 to a completion of graduation, after 10th you may get 1 year, or in between the inter or graduation 1 year gap is allowed. Next, another one is candidates should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment assessment interview process in the last 3 months. This is an important point. If you are aware, if you are already applied for Accenture and took test, then 3 months, before 3 months you are not eligible. If you are cleared 3 months after that, you are eligible for this drive. What are the other ones? Candidates should not have more than 11 months of experience. That means you should have less than 11 months of experience. Another one, 6 point, which is very important. Candidates must be eligible to work in India either by citizenship or have relevant work permit documents. So we are all are Indians. So it is exclusive for India citizens who are living in India. Please note that Bhutan and Nepal nationals can work in India without need for obtaining a work visa. So if you are belong to Bhutan and Nepal, you can work in India without having work visa. All other foreign nationals require work visa or an overseas. If you are from China, if you are from Saudi Arabia, you need a visa in India to work in Accenture. So another one is you are willing to work in any business unit or service line with the company. So if you are ready to take job opportunity or job role in any business unit which are most important. And next one is you are willing to join or relocate to any Accenture office across India. So are you available to join or relocate to any Accenture office which are I have mentioned in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Gurgaon, Kolkata? You have given options, but your preference will also be considered. So majorly, mainly, and finally, company will decide what you go and where to go. So these are the various domains are there, which is app cloud engineering, project control service, low code or no code app development, test engineering. So I'm going to discuss about app cloud engineering. So in app cloud domain, if you are undergone in app or cloud engineering, you have to identify and solve issues within applications and infrastructure, drive resolutions of functional technical infrastructure issues for clients, guide clients with a variety of expertise from user to admins and developers in overcoming technology challenges, focus on driving automation, self-service and evolving cloud infrastructure environments. So another one is another domain, wonderful domain, which is a project control service, and in this domain includes enable program management and increase the overall quality of technology delivery, support projects in the technology delivery centers by tracking and managing project management office activities, low code or no code app development, identifying small issues within the application and infrastructure. And another one is test engineering, creation of test design, test process, test cases and test data. So how to apply this drive, you can check out the link in description. Before applying, I'm going to tell you how to do that. After clicking on the below description link, you will come into this web page. You have to click on system and application services. This is the applicability, this is a job role and qualifications and etc. So after give on bottom and click on for more details and apply. Here to apply, click here. You will landing in this system and application service associate. Salary also mentioned 3.3 lakhs, 33 lakhs per annum, which is an amazing job opportunity. So locations are also mentioned here. If you are ready, click on apply now. If you have already applied and completion of 3 months, then click on I already have account or not. If you are fresh to apply this, click on I don't have an account. After clicking that, yeah, you landing on this page. Check here if you need any assistance on the registration form. So no need, I am going to tell you about this. Name, so your name is John Aaron, or your name is Mahesh Babu. So your name is Mahesh Babu Gantapaneni. So first enter the first name and then last name, middle name and last name. If you don't have middle name, leave it. And passport size photo will be look like this. If your photo is looking like this and this, your application will be rejected. So government ID proof, which is the PAN card. So PAN card must be clear and glowing to visible. So this is type of PAN cards will be accepted and these are all rejected. If you are applying for doing these kind of things, you might not be appearing for test. After doing this correct, click on I am not a robot. Yeah, then click on next. Registration form is appear. The role is system and application service associate. If you want to see what are the job description and role overview, what would you do, so all this is mentioned here. You can check out this. After seeing this, you have to click close. And then next, source details, where did you find. So social media here, and social media after Twitter or LinkedIn or Facebook, whatever you want. So first name is your name, middle name if you don't have middle name, leave it and put last name. And then your university registration number, which is most important and most necessary, and your email ID, which is enter personal email ID, which will be used for all further notifications. No changes will be permitted post submission. Primary contact number, enter a personal contact number which will be used for further notification. No changes will be permitted after post submission. So enter primary contact number very carefully, which is correct. WhatsApp consent, if you are getting WhatsApp messages or about test and recruitment process, if you give selected yes I consent. So after that you have to give alternate, this is optional. If you have alternate mobile number, and then give date of birth, mention your date of birth in your PAN card. See your PAN card and mention on it. Gender, if you belong to male, click on male, or female, click on female. Residing state, city, please select city where you are currently residing. If you do not find the city in your drop down, please choose nearest cities. If you are Andhra Pradesh, Guntur, Elur, whatever this, you have to enter Bihar. All the major cities are entered here. Vijayawada is also present, and Kakinada, Guntur, Hyderabad, all cities are present. Check and apply appropriately. Education details, you have to give only undergraduate details. for this recruitment process. And note one thing, it does not have any percentage criteria. Select your degree. In this, select your degree, and B.Sc, for example, select your degree, college, enter your college in drop down. After enter in drop down list, if not having drop down, and enter your college name manually. After that, click on branch. What are the branch you belong to? After that, year of passing must be 1920 to 2022. After that, percentage or CGPA. If you belong to CGPA, click on CGPA or percentage and click on percentage. Professional details. If you have if you have experience, then include. If not, leave it. If you have professional experience 1 to 6 months, then are you work currently? If yes or yes, no or no. If you are working currently, then you have to mention your current or last company and notice period. If not, you have to click on not no experience. After that, you have to choose a primary skill which are you are best in doing and learning. Secondary skill also you have to select. Certification details. If you done any kind of certifications, then kindly select in this. After that, certification 2 is also provided. Select your certification 2. Language certifications. If you have done any languages in this, then choose it. Second preference also given for foreign languages. Yeah, this is main important. Preferred job locations. If you want a job locations in Hyderabad, click on Hyderabad. Secondly, if you want to work on Bangalore, Mysore road, then click on then third job locations will be Mumbai or Pune, whatever you have to decide. Your desire first preference will be considered mostly. So other details, gap in education, if yes, no or no. I think standing backlogs, you must don't have any backlogs, so no. Have you worked in Accenture before? If yes or no. If you yes, you are not eligible to apply for this role. If you're currently working with Accenture, if you are working in Accenture currently, then you are not eligible. Have you appeared for an assessment or interview process for Accenture in the last 3 months? Do not consider current registration process. Yeah, if you are yes, then it is not eligible. Click on no. Please select your nationality from the top down. Select Indian or non-Indian. Most of are Indians, so select Indians. Examination details. This is also important. Have you completed a final year or final semester exam, including? Yeah, if you're yes or yes, no or no. So attachment, you have to attach your resume, passport size photograph, and government ID proof, which is a PAN card only. PAN number and PAN card photo. First front end photo will be uh, used for disability. If you have any disability, then disclose, or if you don't have disability, click on no. Declaration. Uh, Declaration. If you have to click yes. Read once and click accordingly or appropriately. So these are only good ones. I have read already, so I'm clicking on agree. So agree all. These are nothing harm to us. So finally click on submit. Your application will be submitted. So this is about the Accenture job process, how to apply. I have shown you all the details in a well structured manner. If you still have any doubts, click on comment your doubts on comment sections. Do not forget to subscribe this channel, subscribe and hit the like and share your friends which are needy for job roles. This is exclusive for all kind of people. So we will meet in another video with another stuff and another job opportunity or technical skills. Until then, bye bye.